Here is a wonderful 2018 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Compass, the upscale, sophisticated compact SUV with advanced safety features to protect your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, multi-zone AC. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.